on the road. We should always walk on the footpath. We should cross the road only on the zebra crossing. We must look first to the right side and then to the left. Once again look to the right and cross the road if the vehicle are far away. Okay children, how you should be safety on the road children? You should walk on the footpath. Okay, you should cross the road only on the zebra crossing. We must first look at the right side. Right left you know no. Then you look at to the left. Once again you look to the right and cross the road if the vehicles are far away children. Far away is there no. That time you cross the road. Always you should cross on the zebra crossing only. Okay. We should not play on the roads and run behind kites. You should not play on the roads children. In the roads only some children will be playing. No, you should not do. Okay, and you should not run behind the kites and all. Okay, like this. You should not do. See, you should not do. Okay. We should not play near open drains or manholes. You should not play near the open drains children. Open drains is there no. You should not play. Okay, you will fall inside. Okay children. Okay, next we can see. We should not board or get off a moving bus. When bus will be moving, no, you will run and you will catch the buses, no. You should not do. You should not board or get off a moving bus, okay. You should not do children. Oh, very good children, no. You will not do, no. We do not put our head or hand of a moving bus. We should not put our head or hands out of the moving bus. Okay children. Standing on the footboard is very dangerous. Standing on the footboard is there no children in the bus? Will stand on the footboard? No. It's very dangerous children. You should not stand. If you fell down means what will happen? Yes or no? Should not stand. Okay, standing on the footboard is very dangerous. Okay children. On the road. Roads are safety and regulated movement of people and vehicles. Playing carelessly on the road can be very dangerous. We must use the footpath for walking on the road. Always be watchful of the moving vehicle. Okay children, roads are for safety and regulated movement of people and vehicles. Always it will be moving children's people, cars and all will be moving no children. So playing carelessly on the road you should not do. Can be very dangerous. Okay, without seeing you be playing and going on the road means it will be very dangerous children. We must use the footpath for walking on the road. In the side they will leave footpath no. So in the footpath only you should walk. Okay children. Always be watchful of moving vehicles. You should be watching where the vehicle is coming. We must be careful while crossing a road. We must be careful children while crossing the road. First look the right, then left and again to the right. Cross the road if there is a vehicle. No vehicles in the near distance. Cross the road if there is no vehicle. Okay children, no vehicle means you can cross. First you look at the right, then you look at the left, again right and cross the road if there is no vehicle. Okay, near distance. It's best to cross the road at the zebra crossing. You know zebra crossing, no? At the traffic signal, wait and check the light. The traffic signal is there, no children? Please check the light. So red says stop, and green says go. So this yellow says slow. Okay. Green says go. Okay, children. While boarding, yes, children, while boarding a bus, always from a queue, pushing each other may cause us accidents. Never try to board to get off a moving bus. This can cause us serious injuries and may result in death too. Never try to overtake others while riding a bicycle. Always remain on the left side of a road and obey traffic rules. While boarding a bus, always form a queue, children. Always form a queue. You should form a line. Okay. Queue means line. Okay. Pushing each other may cause us accidents. You will push, no, children. You should not push. Okay. Never try to board or get off a moving bus. Yes, no, children. I have told no. So you should not get off from a moving bus. This can cause us serious injuries and may result in death too. Yes or no, children? Many of them are dead because of accidents. Yes or no? Never try to overtake other while riding a bicycle. While riding a bicycle, if somebody moves in the bike, means you don't overtake them. Okay. Always remain on the left side of the road and obey traffic rules. Always remain on the left side of the road. Okay. And obey the traffic rules. You should obey the traffic rules. Yes, no, children. You are good children. No, you will obey the traffic rules, no, children. Okay.